Hi everyone. So I felt like doing my makeup, filming something, saying hello, and I guess just having a bit of a chat. So, as you have seen, I'm not as active here at the moment, and if you want to know more, there's a video up a couple of weeks ago just to explain that. But I'm just kind of doing different things at the moment. There's just a lot going on, but I am active still on Instagram as well. So if you are interested to see what I'm up to, Instagram is probably the place where I'm most active at the moment. Recently I've been just really into audiobooks lately, because when I'm doing things I like to listen to them. It helps as a bit of an outlet, I guess, for me as well, just to listen to something, not have to stress or worry or think about things too much. And I'm really enjoying them. So I've been doing a lot more content around that kind of a thing, like the reading, the audiobook kind of stuff. And I might do some stuff about it here. A lot of the things that I'm interested in though are a little darker than what I would generally have as content on here, but I might still make some videos, possibly even some reviews on some of the titles that I've been listening to, and just share my thoughts. But if you're interested in that, yeah, just check out Instagram as well. Yeah, so I guess I do have a separate Instagram account for that because it's very different to my normal one, but I'll link it below as well. If you're interested, just check that out. So yeah, hi again. Thank you for all your comments in the last video. I really appreciate that, and I've been getting comments on some of my other videos, and if you leave a comment I will try as hard as I can to respond, and at the very least give it a thumbs up or a love heart or something to the comment, because I do read every single comment that's left for me and every single message that comes through, and yeah, that's been really nice. There's a few things I guess that I've been thinking about doing, and I'm just, every time I go to do it I kind of just stop, because I want to make sure it's still the right decision for me. And I love perfume. I love nail polish and I love perfume, and I've been getting into nail polish again recently, but I have a lot as you all know, and I've been thinking that if it comes down to that we end up downsizing, or we want a property with land and we don't have as many rooms in the house and I need to downsize, what would I do with all my stuff? So I'm seriously considering a major declutter, and you know, everything that I have is still fine. It still performs well. It's still absolutely nothing wrong with it. But I have this, I don't know, it's like this thing that if I get rid of it and I want it again, I can't get it. Like a lot of the stuff I have is discontinued or is limited edition, things like that. But again, if I've not been using it, I would rather have somebody enjoy it and use it as well. It's just, I think at the moment with everything else going on, it is just a little too overwhelming to do a major declutter of my collections. I don't think that would be sensible for me to do that when I'm in this state of mind, I guess, or frame of mind. And but it is something that I think I want to do. think I enjoy fragrance more than nail polish now, and I tend to go for the same brands and colours in nail polish, so I may be able to cut back some of them. So behind me on this wall here, I've got 4 racks, which I think hold like 100-ish bottles, maybe more. I can't quite remember, so it's like 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15, so it's 30, so it's 90, about 90 bottles of polish per rack. I've got 4 racks here, I've got 6 racks over there, so you do the math, they're all full, and I've also got extras in drawers. So I've got a lot of nail polish, but I kind of want to display some of the perfumes that get a little neglected, and I'm toying with the idea of maybe putting in some more shelves instead of the nail polish racks. I don't know, maybe I'll do that. We'll see. But whatever I decide to do, I do want to film it. And I want to take you on that decision-making journey with me. Whether I do it here or on Instagram or try a live. I know a lot of you are in different time zones, so that's difficult. But yeah, I don't know. Maybe we'll try that. But yeah, I do want to sort of declutter things that I'm not using. And that's just something I'm going to be doing. Just I'm not in the right state to do it now, because I don't want to make decisions I'm going to regret. I don't want to over cull and then miss something. I think I need to go through my wardrobe again too, and it's about that time. I just want to let go of things that I'm not using that are still good and that people could get a use from and enjoy, because I kind of feel, not selfish is the wrong word, but I like having them and I appreciate it, and they do give me joy. Even just looking at it, I feel happy. But I kind of like to spread that if I can. Like, I like to make other people happy, which sometimes is a bad thing, too much. But yeah, if I could share that with other people, I will. And that's what I think I want to do. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, that's just my ideas for now. I have got some clips and things that I've purchased to hang up some blankets in my wardrobe, so I can start doing a designated like ASMR kind of recording setup where the sound quality is better, where it's not going to echo. Those things I want to do. If you've got any requests for subject matter, like topics that you want me to discuss in those videos, let me know. But that's kind of it for now. I don't really have a specific video that I have in mind. I don't really have any new exciting releases. I've kind of been distancing myself from new perfume releases and those types of things, so I'm not distracted, or that I don't feel pressured to review them, because yeah, I just don't want that, not temptation, but that feeling like I have to go and get something so I can share it with you, because ultimately I do. That's why I enjoy doing this too, is that I like helping other people. Tutorials, explanations, reviews. It ultimately is to benefit people, give them knowledge, give them information, give them entertainment, and that's what I enjoy. I really like doing that. But at the moment, I need to take a step back and think about other content I can do instead, which is fine, it's okay. But yeah, so it's kind of rambly, but I really wanted to just say hello and give you all an update, let you know how I'm going, because I know a lot of you really do genuinely care, which is amazing. And I'm so lucky to have subscribers, watchers, friends, family, just people in general that take time to leave a comment, take time to actually think about me or genuinely care about how I'm going. It's a beautiful thing. It's a wonderful thing. And it's not something I take for granted because not everybody is that lucky. And if I can give that back to just one person or some of you and make you feel the same way, that's enough for me. And I really do genuinely appreciate that. So I like that. And it's been really lovely seeing all your comments as well. I really do appreciate it, because even just taking the time to do something that seems so small, it's still, you've taken the time. You've consciously made that decision to spend your time doing that, and it's actually really kind of cool. And I appreciate that very much. I'm really, really lucky to have so many of you that are just really lovely people. Yeah, it's not something that you should take for granted. Just if you've got people like that around you, protect them, keep them close. But yeah, hopefully things start to calm down a little soon and I can actually start making some content, like proper content, more regular content. I'm trying hard not to feel guilty about not being able to do that now, which is difficult. It is, but you've all been really nice, so it's made it easier. But I like making Instagram reels because I can sort of bulk do them or just sporadically do it when I feel like it. So that's what I've been doing a little bit, not a lot, not a whole lot on my normal Instagram, but on my more reading audio book Instagram, I've been a bit more active and try to put out a couple of reels every couple of days, or at least once a week at the very least. And I've been finding it fun to do something different, to do something that I'm currently enjoying. So I might be able to film some stuff around that too. But yeah, that's it. Without drawing it out even more than it already is, I appreciate it that you've stuck around, listened in. I am open to suggestions and ideas, as always. I always am. And if you've got recommendations too, any audiobooks, if you're into the kinds of things that I am, let me know. Because that's how I found some great audio books and narrators and authors, and just I have a really kind of like deep appreciation for narration. I always have. I've always liked narration, voice acting, voice coaching, things like that. When I was really young, I did a small amount of voice coaching for singing. And even just growing up, I was told that, I could get into something like, I think it was more just because of the way that I spoke. And it's always been something that's interested me, but more as a hobby or a side project. And I want to learn more about that. So like the actual software and that side of it, because I can make my videos better, microphones, things like that. I've got like a microphone that I use for my other videos. It doesn't work with the camera that I use, and I'm not going to get a new camera because this one's fine. but you have to go through a laptop and all sorts of stuff. But I need to get better at that, and I want to get better at that. So those are the types of things that I'm going to be focusing on, and I just enjoy, even if it's just for fun. But I figure if I've found things interesting, someone else will too. So yeah, anyway, again, tangent, ramble, another 3 minutes added to the video. And that's it. Yeah, it was mainly just to say hi and thank you and give you a quick update, let you know I'm doing okay. And yeah, don't know when I'll be back properly. I really want it to be soon, but I'm not going to rush it, and I know you're all cool with that, and I really do appreciate that. But when I can, I'll pop on here, even if it's just like a mobile phone video, where I don't have to edit it and upload that, because yeah, it's fun. I like interacting with you. It's always been my favourite part. But yeah, anyway, that's it. Hope you're all doing well. Really do. Hope you're all doing well. And that's all for me for now. I'm really not going to do too much editing with this video, so you will get me in all my rambly goodness. But yeah, no, that's definitely it. So that's it for me for now. I hope you're all doing well and having a fantastic morning, afternoon or evening, whatever it may be, wherever you are, and I'll see you all again in my next video. Bye for now.